This P0105 repairing video is dedicated to Chevrolet's drivers. If your Chevrolet is getting a P0105 error code, this video is going to show you one practical solution to fix the error code at home. Use the Zeus app to scan your vehicle and see the error code P0105. P0105 is the general code for a problem with the manifold air pressure circuit having an electrical failure or malfunction. Here is one of the most practical solutions to fix Chevrolet's P0105 error code. Method A, the map sensor. The map sensor is typically located on the intake manifold, either next to or on the throttle body itself. First, carefully remove the map sensor from the engine. Inspect the map sensor for any damages. If damages are found, then replace the map sensor. When you install a new map sensor, check to make sure the new O-ring is in place and not damaged. So here is one of the most practical solutions to fix Chevrolet's P0105 error code. After the repair, you can now use the Zeus app to clear the error code. And tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle.